So, I've heard a lot of people talk to me about what they wear when they do events, right? If they're doing a club, if they're doing a corporate event, if they're doing a birthday party, if they're doing a wedding, that they have certain things that they wear depending on the event they're doing, or that they wear what they wear because they wear what they wear. So I've had a couple people ask me about that, so I thought I'd talk about that today. Hi again, I'm Bill Herman. This is Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of our little dog and pony show. So what do I think about that? Well, I go with, dress. I say when you're dealing with customers, and especially if you're on stage in front of people, you want to dress to impress. That's easy, right? Other people say to dress for the job that you want, or dress for how you want to be perceived, because honestly, that's all that matters. I mean, we can say all day that this is how we dress because this is how we're comfortable. And okay, we do that. When I used to work in the bars, and they didn't really care really. I hated having to put a uniform on. I wanted to wear whatever I wanted when I worked in a bar. But when it came down to it, the guy that came dressed the nicest got the most shifts. The guy that looked the nicest had the most fans and had the more people that came in. When I started wearing a tuxedo at events, my referral rates went up. When I started wearing a suit to a sales consultation, my sales went up. What do you want? And how are you being perceived? It really comes down to perception is reality. You've heard them say it. I've said it a bunch of times on this whole thing, but I mean, it speaks to that. So first, if perception is reality, how do you want to be perceived? And then once again, my favorite question, why do you want to be perceived that way? Why are you dressing this way? What are you trying to get out of it? What are you trying to give them out of it? What's the why? Figure that out. Do what you want to do. But if you ask me, if you're trying to help the industry that we're in look more professional, it starts with us, right? So why not dress a little better? Go buy a tux. If you don't have one, maybe you should. Trust me, the first time I bought a tux, I never wanted to wear anything else at events, ever. And I often do not. Ask anybody, even at birthday parties or even on the beach, usually I'm in a tuxedo. It makes me feel a certain way. People see me a certain way. I like that. What do you think? Put your comments down in the comments below, or send me a note, bill@billherman.com. Don't forget that we are always sponsored by Electro Voice. Thank you to them. And my workshop, the Entertainment Experience Workshop. If you want to know more, give me a ring. Otherwise, I'll see you next Monday here on Creative License.